In this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate the data within a cell by a comma. I had this question recently and I thought I would show you the answer. So, in the cell next to the one that we're dividing, we'd like to make this 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, so we're going to go equal to start a formula, and we're going to go from the left, and then we put an opening bracket, we select the cell, we put a comma, and we would like to go by one character. And so then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to put an ampersand, we're going to put a quotation mark, we're going to put a comma, we're going to put a quotation mark. Now we would like to add another one to that, so let's put another ampersand here. And we're not doing left anymore, we're doing mid. So we're going to type mid. We're going to put an opening bracket. We're going to select the cell. And we started at 1 last time, so let's go start at 2. And we would like one character again, so we're going to put 1. And then we're going to close the bracket. We're going to put an ampersand. We're going to put a quotation mark. We're going to put a comma. We're going to put a quotation mark. And one more time, or a few more times, we would like to put another letter. So let's put another ampersand here. And we're going to put another mid. And we're going to do an opening bracket. And we're going to select the cell again. Say we would like to start this one on the third character. On the third character, we would like to go for one character. And then we're going to close the bracket. We're going to add an ampersand. We're going to add a quotation mark. We're going to add a comma. We're going to add a quotation mark. And we're going to add another one here. So let's put another ampersand. And let's go mid. And we're going to put an opening bracket. We're going to select the cell. We're going to put a comma. We're going to go from the fourth character. And we're going to go for one character. And then we are going to put an ampersand. We're going to put a quotation mark. We're going to put a comma. And we're going to put a quotation mark. So let's press enter and see what happens. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could continue on this until you have a comma between every single one of them. So let's just drag this down. You could drag it down as far as you want it. Okay, so let's do another example here. And let's say that we're trying to divide this by 2. So we have 25, 35, 45, 55. And so once again, let's start with an equal sign, and we're going to go left. And we're going to go 2 characters, we're going to select the cell, then we're going to go comma, and we'd like 2 characters from the left. And now we're going to add our ampersand, and we're going to add our comma. Now we'd like other letters after just the first set, so let's put another ampersand on here. And one more time, we're going to start with mid again, because we're not at the edge. So now we're going to go and we're going to select our cell. Okay, so we started at the left side, we went for 2, so now we're on 3. Okay, and we want to go for 2 characters. Okay, so now we're going to add another ampersand, another quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, and another ampersand because we'd like to go for the next letter as well. So we're going to go mid. We're going to select the cell. Okay, so we're going up by 2. So now we're going to go 5. We're going to go display 2 characters. And so now we add another ampersand, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, and ampersand one more time, and then we're going to go mid. And we are going to select the cell. So now we'd like to go 7. And then we would like to go by 2. And so now we're going to add another ampersand. We're going to add quotation marks, comma, quotation marks. Now let's press enter and see what happens. So there we go, 25, 35, 45, 55. I will include these formulas in the description of my video. Please subscribe.